back on the topic again. This is the step which we were talking about. This is chanting.
In Quran, that of the 6 days Guru Granth Sahib
in previous days, and we have also gone through the test of this chapter.
Hello friends, we will study big and small objects. This is big doll, this is small doll. This is big ball, this is small ball. This is big shoe, this is small shoe. This is big ring, this is small ring.
Start.
This is big duck, this is small duck. Thank you ma'am, this classic during coronavirus. Then I saw objects, bigger and smaller. See, this is big bike of color orange, green, black and blue. This bike is small bike and this is black and blue color. And man on sitting on the bike.
This method, this format, and this one is same. And here also the divide sign is there.
Fast changes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, on undesirable change.
Very good, very good. Clapping, clapping, clapping करो सब बच्चे.
नहीं आता
Earth is divided into two equal halves called hemisphere. The Earth is divided into two equal halves.
बच्चे ने कवि ने बच्चे की मुस्कान के सौंदर्य को किन किन बिंबों के माध्यम से व्यक्त किया है?
And finally, this is SRN school bus. What is this, Akshay?
SRN International School bus.
Ah.
Oh my god, this is original.
This is my Indian flag. I make this.
कलर करो बेटा. I love coloring.
I love coloring.
Do color.
Hello friends, myself Harsh Tiwari of SRN International School. After listening the news of coronavirus and complete lockdown in our country, we all got sad that we have nothing to do. But our teachers invented a new method of learning, that is e-learning. Let us see how.
Hello friends, I'm Siddhi Agarwal from grade 6 from SRN International School. As we all know about the health crisis, during this period we have to stay safe at home. During this quarantine, we have to spend our time in many different activities like helping our parents and doing the household work, etc. I used to spend my time in online classes. That is very beneficial. During this period, our studies are not be affected. Online classes are like the virtual classes. We learn things like we learn in the school. I am very much satisfied by these online classes and I request you all to spend your time very carefully. Stay safe, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.
Ma'am, Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, can you send me the chapter 1 question answers on WhatsApp?
चॉकलेट डालना, एक बिस्किट डालना, केक बनाना है, इसमें डाइजेस्टेड बिस्किट डालना है, ऊपर से चॉकलेट डालना है,
आपने
Yes, now all digital heroes. They are frontline heroes who are serving to the society while treating the patient, while preventing the public to come on the street, and while providing essential services to the society. Social worker. And you are the digital heroes, that you are communicating the message and you are imparting the education through these digital classrooms. Every day we are saying that we are having certain achievements with certain challenges. The more you practice, the more you become this confident in respect of this technology and digital classroom.
Hello everyone, my name is Rushi Pawan Singh and I study in grade 5th. In this lockdown period, I have made a new thing, that is clothes arranging gadgets. Today I will tell you that how I use this for arranging my clothes.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
International.